going on? Here, you can hear me better. What's going on, YouTubes? I am wearing this because, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of orange in the sky. 2020 fire season is terrible here in Northern California, and the air quality is super bad. So I need to protect the old upper respiratory. Kind of ironic that today we're chopping wood. We had a neighbor cut a tree down and ended up with a ton of rounds. Started chopping it up, and then I'm thinking, I have nowhere to put it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna build a firewood rack. Pretty simple, pretty minimalist, pretty affordable. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. Please feel free to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy the content. I've gone ahead and added a complete materials list in the description of this video, along with the various 2x4 cuts you're going to need to make. As you can see, we're laying out our base. These are two 8-foot 2x4s laying on the ground with 12-inch end caps on each end. I'm just using my drill to drill a pilot hole and my impact driver to drill in the 3-inch all-weather screws. So just using this here as a guide, like I was saying, our end caps are just gonna go in right here. We're gonna have another one that comes up this way. What we can do is put on a mark here on each end. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna sink this 9-inch 2x4 right here. And I guess you'll see how it comes together later. It's important to note that we will be repeating this process on both sides of the base. And you can see I'm just using this 2x4 here to make sure as I'm sinking in my pockets on the ends of the base that my uprights are gonna fit. All right, starting with our uprights, we're gonna have 2 of them. Each of them are going to take a 5-foot 2x4 to run the length, and 3 6-inch pieces of 2x4, one on each end, as you can see here. And one's gonna go equidistant in the center just to give it some more stability. Alright guys, here it is, the easy to build firewood rack, brought to you by Little Improvements and our 1-year-old. The thing I like about it, it's pretty minimalist. We didn't have to cut any angles on it, and it's actually really portable too. So the sides here come out. So it's going to make it pretty easy to transport if we want to move it. So the only thing is the sides, because we don't have any angles on them, they're not going to be able to take a lot of side load on it, so you got to be careful with overloading this thing and kind of strategically placing your wood on it. So Mama done raked out a side area on the shed, and we're going to slide this thing over there and get it all loaded up and start putting it to use. Thanks for watching.